This is chapter 4, number 10. You're going to write the equation of line that is perpendicular to this graph, whose y-intercept is 0, 6. So let's first of all find the original slope. And the original slope is right here, which is just in front of the x. M is equal to -1 over 2. Now we want to find the perpendicular slope. And to do that, we have to find the opposite reciprocal. So M is equal to, here, let me just write the bar first. So the -1 goes to the bottom, and then the 2 goes on top, right? Do you see that? And then it was, we forgot to bring down that negative with it. So it was originally a negative, but now, because of the opposite, it turns into a positive. So the new slope is m over 2 over 1. Now we want to find the y-intercept. Lucky for us, this point is already the y-intercept because it is 0, b. So we can say that b is equal to 6. So here we write our equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. Now we can substitute it in. The m, which is the slope, we have that as the value of 2 over 1, or just 2. Then we have the y-intercept, which is b, which is just going to be, we solved, which was 6. So this is the equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 6. Right? 10b. Same thing from before. We want to write an equation that is perpendicular to this equation that passes through that point. So first of all, let's find the original slope. And the original slope here is right in front. So m is equal to -1/2. Now you want to find the perpendicular slope by getting the opposite reciprocal. So m is equal to, that 2 is going to come, the 2 is going to actually go on top, right? And the -1 goes on the bottom. It was a negative, okay? You see how it's a negative, but now it becomes a positive, right? So this is that new slope here, right? The new slope is positive 2 over 1, right? Now we want to find the y-intercept. Find y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we have to here, because it's not given, we have to use a point. Okay, and the point that we're going to use here is x is equal to 2, y is equal to -3. We write this equation that we have here of y equals mx plus b. Okay, and now we can just plug in the values that we needed. All right. Give me a moment when I clean this up. Here we go. All right. So here's what we need, and let's make the substitution here. All right. So the m, it gets plugged in with the number 2, or 2 over 1, same thing. The y is, it says here, -3. And the x here says it is 2. And we leave y alone. 2 times 2 is 4. So we subtract 4. This cancels, leaving you with a -7 is equal to b. That is your y-intercept. So our equation is in the format y equals mx plus b. The m we solved for, that was 2 over 1. We can just write 2. And the y-intercept, which is b, we solve that as -7. And that is -7. This would be your complete equation of the line. Y is equal to 2x minus 7.